All right, buckle up because we're about to blow the lid off how you actually learn English. You know what's a complete lie? The idea that you need hours of dedicated study, sitting in a dusty classroom, or doing boring grammar drills to actually get fluent. Bull, hockey. The people who master this language, they've cracked the code to turning their entire day into their English classroom. Ready to ditch the textbooks and join them? Let's go. Let's start with the first big challenge, the I have no time trap. Let's be real, you're busy. Work, family, trying to remember where you put your keys, life gets in the way. So the idea of squeezing in another hour of English study feels like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. So here's the solution. Microdose your day with English. Think about it. You unlock your phone. What's the first thing you see? Your lock screen. Bam! Change your phone language to English. Instant daily exposure. You're making coffee? Narrate the process to yourself. Okay, I'm getting the coffee beans. Grinding them now. The water is boiling. It might sound silly, but you're rewiring your brain to think and speak in English automatically. The beauty of this is its incredible benefit. Effortless immersion. It doesn't feel like studying. It's passive learning that chips away at the language barrier little by little. You're not forcing yourself, you're just integrating English into what you already do. Now, on to the second big hurdle, the I have no one to practice with problem. I get it. You might feel like you're learning in a vacuum with no way to test out what you know. Well, here's your solution. Leverage the digital world. Hello, Internet. Your best friend in this situation. Start by following English-speaking creators on social media, people who talk about your hobbies, news, anything that interests you. Engage in the comments in English. Find online communities or language exchange partners. Even just reading and reacting in English counts as daily practice. And here's a pro tip. Record short voice notes to yourself in English about your day. You don't have to share them with anyone, but it gets you speaking and hearing yourself. The benefit of this is huge, building confidence and expanding your world. Suddenly, you're part of a global conversation. That confidence boost is huge, and it opens doors to a whole world of content and connections. So, to recap, what are your daily English hacks? Change your phone language, narrate your tasks, follow English speakers online and engage, record voice notes. These aren't extra chores, they're smart shortcuts to fluency woven into the fabric of your day.